ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hadin gajing Shah Siap we urang ba hakashnong Dalia kabahap hapo kashela constituency East Khasi Hills district hakshipa yada khaput ki border security force Kaachik Holistic Awakening Movement East Khasi Hills district kladawa naga sarkar banthong naga Magisterial Enquiry Kumbanchukdo bo asen marak ula Shah Siat hakikti jeng kishipai BSF hakashitarik mendau benai leber hakapor prabaje janmit hakashnong Dalia habekran makabati CTV Ulabius areng u President Aham East Khasi Hills ula pinpau bakaseng kadawaru naga sarkar bakadeben siu ka bailut Ksan Shah kalong yeng jo lead asen marak nakaliang Ezekiel sangma uberi Vice President Aham ula pinpau ka jeng sngok khia bajur Bat Dawa baka sarkar kadeben le AA halo ka jing saksiat yap ulit asen marak.
Ngi penpau ka jing siau kya halor ka jing saksiat yap uhasen marak haka shitarik banai balai arjar rapsau haki kti jong ki BSF halor kani ni dawa jur naga sarkar bakan thung daka magistrate inquiry badru ban ai jing yarap Yaka Longying U Hasen Marak.
It is by our members, it is unacceptable and uncalled for us. So therefore, we don't want any BSF personnel to massacre or assassinate inoffensive or innocent people. The people residing in the border belt, especially there are under the Sela constituency in Dalia or in surrounding waters and villages. So therefore, we strongly vehemently demand from the state government for Magisterial inquiry, and at the same time subsequently we demand from the state government for ex gratia to the bereaved family. So therefore, once again we recall this notice and information, and we want to give a strong messages to the state government to take initiative or stringent or immovable action against those BSF personnel which is fire and kill this late Mr. Asen Marak. So therefore, regarding this incidents, so we have already forwarded to the different government quarter like Deputy Commissioner is Kasil Silong and District Superintendent of Police is Kasil Silong for taking necessary action, and DIG BSF for necessary action, and Human Rights Commission for necessary action, and eventually we have already circulated this notice to the media and press. So therefore, we once again on behalf of President, on behalf of this understand members from this East Khasi Silong, Aham. So eventually, I would like to request the state government, especially our most honorable and dynamic and tall leader, Chief Minister Mr. Kornat Sama, to take this incident, to look into the matter without any prejudice. We want this action which is taken by the Chief Minister within speak span of time at earliest. So we want to ask a very indispensable that means this BSF personnel which is fire on that 2nd of March 2024. So on whose
1st of March
2024, on whose authority, so they have a power and dare to kill this inoffensive and innocent people. So and moreover, that is not belongs from the government land. That is totally belongs from the private land. So as we gone through regarding this spot inquiry, we have seen with our naked eyes in calculated evidence. So from the lands, no man's land, it has been only 150 meters. But as per we observe, as per our knowledge, so that place, the spot is more than 300 meters. So that is why this grievances. So it is not acceptable and uncalled by with the Aham Kasil zone.